Episode 15. The Sabbath was blessed, hallowed, and sanctified. No other day was, if God only blessed one day, why are you honoring another? From the very beginning of time, God made his intentions unmistakably clear. One day, above all others, was to be holy. And God blessed the seventh day and sanctified it, because that in it he had rested from all his work. Genesis 2:3. Let those three divine actions sink in. Blessed, God poured divine favor into this day. Sanctified, God set it apart for holy use. Hallowed, God made it sacred, different from all other time. No other day, not Sunday, not Monday, not any other, was ever described this way in the entire Bible. What happens to something God blesses? When God blesses something, it is permanently valuable, infused with purpose, marked for divine use. God's blessings are never careless. They are not temporary. They carry eternal weight. So if God blessed the seventh day, can any man, pastor, or church unbless it? Whatsoever God doeth, it shall be forever. Nothing can be put to it, nor anything taken from it. Ecclesiastes 3:14. 7. Crushing questions for Sunday observers. Where does the Bible say God blessed Sunday? If only the seventh day was hallowed, why are churches honoring the first day? Why does Genesis 2:3 say, the blessing happened at creation before sin or Jews? Can a blessing from God ever be transferred without his explicit command? Why didn't Jesus, who kept the Sabbath, ever bless a new day? Can man sanctify a day that God did not? If the seventh day was blessed for holy use, what are we doing when we ignore it? No other day was treated like this. The Bible speaks of many days, days of battle, of miracles, of mourning and joy. But only one is described with these divine actions. God blessed, God sanctified, God rested. That is not just narrative. That is a divine institution, directly embedded into the rhythm of life itself. The seventh day is the Sabbath of the Lord thy God. Wherefore the Lord blessed the Sabbath day and hallowed it. Exodus 20:10-11. Notice, God didn't just bless a number, he blessed a day, a recurring, weekly, eternal appointment with his people. The blessing was never removed. Nowhere does Scripture say the seventh day was unblessed. Nowhere does it say God transferred the blessing to Sunday. The silence of Scripture on this is deafening and deliberate. What God blesses, man must not curse. What God sanctifies, man must not secularize. What God hallowed, man must not replace. Final thought, God could have blessed any day, but he chose the seventh. He could have changed it, but he never did. Jesus could have transferred the holiness, but he rested in the tomb on the Sabbath, even in death. The early church could have declared Sunday holy, but they never dared. So why should you? If thou turn away thy foot from the Sabbath, and call the Sabbath a delight, then shalt thou delight thyself in the Lord. Isaiah 58:13-14. The blessing is still there, waiting for those who remember, but the question remains, why are you honoring a day God never blessed and forgetting the one he did?